This is what a $1 explosion looks like. And this is what $15,000 looks like. And before we even started, my dad almost got seriously hurt by a firework. So make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get into the video. We start with $1. Next one, $5. Now we move on to $10, double the money, and this one already hits harder. All right, this is $20. This is where it actually starts getting serious. This wasn't even supposed to fly ... We lit the firework, and instead of exploding like it should, it just took off. Back to the video, and now $50. This is no longer a joke, this one is insane. This one is $100. Now we're actually risking money. All right, this is $170. Not cheap anymore.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
This one is $500. This is where things stop being fun.
Wow!
Now we jump to $1,000. This is where things get dangerous. This one costs $5,000, one mistake, and something goes very wrong. Now, before we get to the $15,000 explosion, make sure you are subscribed at this channel. And finally, $15,000. This is insane. Now, this was dangerous. Play it in slow motion. Now 10 times. This was the video. I hope you enjoy and see you later.